Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. I want to do a quick video showing you guys one of the ways that I utilize some of the devices that I've received from different brands over the years. Now, this little tripod that you guys see right here, this little metal one, this is actually from Small Rig. I did purchase this, but this one was actually sent to me by Coman, which is a monopod. And as you guys can see here, it is a completely adjustable monopod with a fluid head on it as well. It has the handle that you can switch from left hand or right hand orientation, which is really nice. But what I like about this monopod is that you can actually detach the main section of the monopod here and turn this into a hi-hat. So what I mean by that is you're going to use the bass, of course, and then you're going to take your fluid head and you're going to connect it down here to this base, and that'll allow you to use your cameras on a desktop. Very stable. I've used this many times in the past, so I think this might be a great solution for a lot of you guys. So let me go ahead and switch it out really quick, and I'll show you guys exactly what that looks like. As far as the switching out goes, these just unscrew. You're just going to unscrew them at the fluid head, and they'll also unscrew it down here at the base. All right, so we'll be right back. So if you have this specific monopod, you will have to remove this little screw right here at the base, and that's going to allow you to detach this section right here in order to connect it to this section. All right, guys, as you can see, now we have our new hi-hat. This also has a quick release plate on here that you can, attach your camera to. It's going to make it really easy when it comes time to remove this from this base. So there's another option, especially if you have one of these older Coman monopods. This is which model is this? This is the KX3232. If you guys can see that, it's the KX3232 aluminum monopod. So there's your options. All right, guys, I just want to do a quick video for you guys today, hopefully inspiring you guys to keep creating, and I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe, peace, I'm out.